Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here in Bauma and I've come to see Pronar. Haven't actually heard anything about Pronar before, but I understand you know the products that you've got here are brand new products for the market, stage 5 engines in them as well. Tell me a little bit about the Pronar business, Lucas, and what the products are we're going to see today behind us.
Yeah, so hello Peter, that's great that you ask about the Pronar history because that's something what we are proud about. So 34 years of a history currently. We've been starting from agricultural business and currently we see three most important sectors for us as agricultural, disc wheels for the slow going machinery, where we are the first manufacturer in Europe and second in the world, and the third one it is the recycling division.
And that's what we're here to talk about today. What have we got behind us here? Brand new machine.
Yes, exactly. That's the extension to our recycling machinery range, and that's actually industry of mineral crushing. So we've got a brand new scalper here, deck screen, and that's the jaw crusher. So that's the two first machines of this range. And actually at Bauma we've got the premieres.
So this is the premiere of some really big handsome machinery, I might add as well. Love the Pronar colours. And the thing about this is, you know, you've now had to move to stage 5 for these new machines, and that is really important for the whole industry as we try and reduce the cost of fuel and also try and be more efficient. You've chosen to actually use the Caterpillar engine inside these machines. What's the reason behind that for you as a business?
Yeah, actually, there is not just one purpose that we choose the Caterpillar engines. First of all, stage 5 emissions, so that's obligatory and that's eco-friendly. That's offering also fair compare fuel consumption to the performance. But above that, I believe the most important is Caterpillar support, the worldwide service network. And with these Caterpillar stage 5 engines, with dual label, we are able to produce this one unit which we can deliver to Europe or North America.
That's really good because, you know, when you're talking about a global audience there, let's go and have a look round the machine as we walk past it. This is the MPP 1238S.
Yes.
So a very big machine there, capable of doing quite a lot of work, isn't it? And I think as we move around the machine, tell us a little bit about some of the key features in this overall design.
Yeah, we've been generally starting with this size of deck screen, but it is not the only machine which we would like to have in this range. In a period of upcoming months, we are going to introduce 2 additional machines, but generally, if you will look at the machine, that's made very heavy duty. That was our intention, to build an simple construction machines based on our components. So 80 up to 90% of the components is made in our factories in Poland. So we've got care for every single element, which is made of high quality. After all, we are controlling the costs and efficiency, and we are able to offer the solid construction with the competitive price.
And I think what's important about that is, you know, we're talking about parts issues at the moment globally. So, you know, when you're manufacturing your own parts, you know your own machines, you know how they all work together, and you can optimize the performance of that because you're actually designing and manufacturing those parts at the same time. So you can change them and optimize the machine. Let's go and see the heart of the machine back in the back end of this one. So we take a little sneaker peek. Come over here with me and take a sneak peek. Inside there we see the lovely yellow of the Caterpillar engine, and this is what it's all about, folks, the Caterpillar engine. So let's talk about a little bit about what you said before, and I think this is really important, that you talked about your engineering and you talked about how the actual unit as well has got the Caterpillar engine in because of the sort of engineering support and backup. How did the team help you with the design of this? Because obviously it's quite compact in there, but you need it to be accessible for service and things like that as well, don't you?
Yeah, that's true. Generally, we have got very strong cooperation with Caterpillar, I would say. It's not the first machine which is equipped with the Caterpillar engines, so we've gotten great support in Poland, and during the engineering process, the Caterpillar is coming to us to approve the construction, to measure the heating and efficiency of the engine. So we make sure that this engine is perfectly fitting to this size of the machine and to the job the machine is designed to.
So what we've got here is a product that's robust, built, you know, with a lot of the components equally built specifically for it by you as a business. Slightly unusual for the industry, that, folks, but what we understand with that is how you can interact with all of that and the engineering team at Caterpillar Engines division, and therefore how you can put a machine together that is ready for, like you said earlier, both European Stage 5 and the American markets, and of course the rest of the world. Great to meet you today. Thanks very much. Cheers.
Thank you, Peter.